Welcome back, everyone. This is N.R.T here. We're going to show you how you rewind one of these. One of these right here. We're going to show you one of the ways you can rewind them. There's a couple other ways, like you can use a drill. You can, which basically you put a couple nails in a table or workbench, use a drill and it winds it up, and then you clamp it. Or you can put the spring in here piece by piece and just wind it up and push it in there. There's another way. Or you can do it this way. Sometimes other ways are easier than the other ways. Match a spring. But just gonna do this. Just gonna wind it up. Just like this. I know, for the longest time I hated messing with these. I just hated them. It's a spring, it's a disaster, and sometimes it can be just a real pain. But as you can see right there, right there. Spring is ready, it's all done, wound up, you set this in there, done. Just like that. Didn't even take 3 minutes. When you're building a pull starter on a 2 horsepower Sears Craftsman rotiller, haven't took the pull starter off it the other day, probably bring that on the channel a little bit, tiller, and gotta put some wheels on it, probably build an axle for it, gotta get it running. I have to do a carb clean, tank clean, but and tank's rusty, so on the outside, hopefully not on the inside, but probably want to get some paint or primer on it. And yeah, so hopefully this video helps you. I know the longest time I hated messing with those dang springs, but it's less complicated than you think. You just gotta take your time. Take your time. It'll work. You'll have a pull starter. Take this one apart because it didn't really have the pull rope, didn't want to go into, so it was all yuck inside. So I took everything apart. Ultrasonic cleaned everything, blew it out with air, washed it. Gonna re-grease it. I could use a new rope, but for a while it has a rope. Probably gonna make a video on that when I do replace a rope. Show you how you replace a rope without destroying the spring, but or uncoiling the spring. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, because N.R.T is going to show you how you do it the right way. The only way. At N.R.T. Catch you on next one.